I love to show you the go tracks on the grass, how it rides. Does a nice job. It's a little slow on takeoff, but once you get going, you'll get going. You ride a scooter? We all should be wearing helmets. Even if I ride a bicycle, I should start to learn to wear a helmet. The older we get, the wiser we're supposed to be. But we're not that smart if we're without a helmet. I thought I'd head to the park, watch the airplanes come in. Oh, they are nice and big when they are low. I think over here, if I get a 4-inch by 4-inch square post and I build a base on it, just rest it, no need to screw, and get the height I need for a seat. I know they sell seats that you could clamp on, but not for this scooter. Yeah, so something I could look at. I could get a round one and get a round plate, and then I could glue it. But you know, I stand up, I don't go far. And scooter's gonna go away soon anyway. Not a winter scooter. You want a dog? Doggy, 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 doggy. Doggy hairs. He sees you. He says, I belong to somebody. Well, I got 108 miles. I gotta head on back. I got 2 cells. I'd rather go back safely than to be pushing back. Off I go. It's gonna be a short vlog, but at least I had some fun getting on out.